Akin na yan. Papaalala ko sa'yo yung nakapanjama ka. Wow! Look at this! Me? We are now in Sitka, Alaska. I thought it's snowing here, but the weather cooperates with us. It's a beautiful day today. Sunny, yeah. Close to vehicles.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Yeah, you have a picture here, man. Do you remember that? I'll be here. I'll be here. But this time you're in good shape. Last time you're wearing pajamas, huh? Oh yeah, it's dark, raining. Harigan. Tingnan po. Saan?
Yung ice, makikita pa yung ice.
Yung ice, yeah. Ganda. Ikaw pa na 360 degrees. 360 degrees.